Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects. Today we're going to go ahead and use the Cricut printer to go ahead and cut out a logo and place it on this hoodie that you see right here. The goal is to go ahead and make a 3-inch design and place it on the left breast. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how that whole process works and how to use the software in the printer itself.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and use the Cricut design space in order for us to go ahead and upload the logo for that hoodie. So gonna go ahead here and what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a new project. Alright, and then you're gonna go here to upload, and in my case I already uploaded the logo that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. It is a SVG format, which means it's vector based. Here you go. So I figured out that I'm going to be doing the left breast of the hoodie. So what I want to do is I want to make it a little bit smaller than the one I made for the hat. So the hat, which has the same logo, I made it 4 inches wide. This one I'm going to make it slightly a little bit smaller. I'm going to make it 3 inches wide. It just looks a little bit better. It doesn't look like it's too much. So I'm going to go ahead and size that. Now if your screen is too small, it's okay. When you bring in the image and the image is too large, you're just going to go ahead and shrink your screen a little bit down here, and then you just go ahead here and bring it down, and then you come in and re-zoom in. It will readjust as it's vector. So like I said before, the hat I printed out previously on a previous video, I had it made 4 inches wide, but in this case I'm going to do 3 inches wide here. So I'm going to use whatever leftover vinyl I had from the hat, and I'm going to use that and apply it to the Cricut green sheet. That I'll show you how to do that as well. So in this case you're set. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and right click and say attach. And if you don't do attach, what will happen is if you go ahead and try to make it, it's going to go ahead and it'll look like this. You really can't see what's going on. Basically what happens is all the layers get distorted. They get sent out to different areas of that board. So what you're going to want to do is press cancel, click on this, click attach, and it's going to go ahead and outline it. And what that does, it keeps all the layers together. So when you go ahead and press make it, it looks good. See, it's all together now. I can zoom in to kind of show you guys. And another thing you want to make sure is you hit mirror, because remember you're going to be doing it upside down, and you want to mirror it so when it actually does press, it's going to read correctly. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, hit continue. So my material set, make sure the dial on your printer is set to vinyl. Once that is set to vinyl, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to place the vinyl on that board, that green board that I'm talking about. And then after that, you're just going to follow the instructions on the screen. Alright guys, so here's that green that green board that I was telling you about. I went ahead and I cut the vinyl and I placed it on here. It does have a sticky adhesive, the board itself, so the vinyl could stay nice and flat. So what we're gonna go ahead and do now is, alright, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna place it here on the printer. You're gonna hit this button here to feed it, and now it's ready to go ahead and start cutting. So we press this button here, and my little boy is gonna help me press the C. Okay.
Okay, so now it's complete. So we're gonna go ahead and press the eject button. And it comes out. Alright guys, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna go ahead and make sure you remove the vinyl from here, okay? Remove the vinyl. And you're always gonna want to start in the corner to remove this. Okay. So there we go. We're all set. Alright guys, so we're ready here with the heat press, ready to make this happen. So we're going to go ahead, turn it on. You want to make sure that the heat press gets to 355 degrees. Alright, so the machine reached at 355 degrees, as you see. And now we're going to go ahead and place the garment there, which I already did. I put the logo on there. And now what we're going to go ahead and do is press down. Okay, and it'll be 21 seconds. And by the time it's done, it'll be ready to go. Okay, so it's done. Press stop, lift. We'll maneuver this out of the way. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and let it cool off for a little bit. All right, so right now what we're gonna do is we're letting it cool off. I can show you what it looks like so far. Okay. Okay, it's cooled off now, so we're gonna go ahead and remove it. Just go really slow. And that's it. It's all set. Hey guys, so we went ahead and showed you how to go ahead and press it and pre-cut it. And now you can see that it's on the hoodie itself. It looks really well. It's just the right size, it's not too big. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.